Welcome to the new videos How to Make Money with Amazon. Please subscribe my channel, like the video. Amazon, you may generate money in a variety of ways. Here are some popular methods. 1. Sell products through Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, allows you to sell physical products on Amazon's platform. You can source products, create listings, and ship them to Amazon's warehouses. Storage, packing, shipping, and customer support are all handled by Amazon. You earn money through the sale of your products, minus fees. Selling products through Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, can be a lucrative and efficient way to grow your business. FBA allows you to store your products in Amazon's fulfillment centers, and they handle the picking, packing, shipping, and customer service for you. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to sell products through Amazon FBA. Research and select your product. Start by identifying a product niche that has demand and limited competition. Conduct market research to understand customer preferences, pricing, and potential profit margins. Create an Amazon seller account. Obtain an Amazon seller account if you don't already have one. Choose the professional selling plan, which gives you access to FBA and additional seller tools. Source your products. Find reliable suppliers or manufacturers for your chosen products. You can source products domestically or internationally, depending on your preferences and business model. Ensure you select high-quality products that meet Amazon's guidelines. Prepare your inventory. Prepare your products for shipment to Amazon's fulfillment centers. This involves labeling your products with Amazon's barcodes or using Amazon's labeling service. Follow Amazon's packaging and preparation guidelines to ensure your products are ready for shipment. Ship your inventory to Amazon. Create a shipping plan within your Amazon seller account and arrange for the shipment of your products to Amazon's designated fulfillment centers. You can use Amazon's partnered carriers or choose your own logistics service. Amazon receives and stores your inventory. Once your shipment reaches Amazon's fulfillment centers, they will receive and store your inventory. Your products will become eligible for Amazon Prime and other FBA benefits. List your products for sale. Create product listings on Amazon's marketplace, providing accurate and compelling descriptions, images, and pricing information. Use relevant keywords to optimize your listings for better visibility in search results. Monitor your inventory and sales. Keep track of your inventory levels and sales performance using Amazon's Seller Dashboard. This will help you stay on top of restocking needs and make data-driven decisions to optimize your business. Amazon handles fulfillment. When customers place orders, Amazon takes care of the entire fulfillment process. They pick, pack, and ship the products to the customers on your behalf. They also handle returns and customer inquiries, providing excellent customer service. Grow your business. Continuously analyze your sales data and customer feedback to improve your product offerings, pricing, and marketing strategies. Consider using Amazon's advertising services to increase product visibility and drive more sales. Selling products through Amazon FBA offers numerous advantages, including access to Amazon's vast customer base, reliable fulfillment services, and enhanced customer trust through the Prime program. With careful planning, product selection, and ongoing optimization, you can successfully sell products through Amazon FBA and scale your business. 2. Self-publish ebooks. If you enjoyed writing, you can self-publish ebooks through Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Write and format your ebook, design a cover, set a price, and publish it on Amazon's Kindle store. You earn royalties for each ebook sale. 3. Merch by Amazon. If you're skilled in design, you can create and sell custom t-shirts and other merchandise through Merch by Amazon. Design your products, upload them to Amazon. Set your prices, and Amazon handles printing, shipping, and customer service. You earn royalties for each sale. 4. Amazon Associates. Join the Amazon Associates program and earn commissions by promoting Amazon products on your website, blog, or social media platforms. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. 5. Publish audiobooks. Through Amazon's Audiobook Creation Exchange, ACX, you can produce and sell audiobooks on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. Narrate the audiobook yourself or hire a voice actor. You earn royalties for each audiobook sale. 6. Handmade products. If you create handmade goods, you can sell them through Amazon Handmade. This platform caters to artisans and allows you to showcase and sell your unique handmade items. 7. Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a platform where you can complete small tasks or surveys for pay. These tasks, called Human Intelligence Tasks, HITs, vary in complexity and payout. While it may not provide substantial income, it can be an option for earning some extra money. Remember, success in any of these methods requires research, dedication, and understanding of Amazon's guidelines and policies. It's important to thoroughly explore each option. Find the one that aligns with your skills and interests, and put in the necessary effort to make it profitable. Thanks for watching.